Hey Feds, another great question, this time about TSP. This person asked, when you do the traditional TSP and Roth contributions, do RMDs apply to both? RMDs, required minimum distributions, is where they make you at, depending on how old you are, 70, let's say 73-ish, take your money out of the TSP. They'll force it out because the IRS wants their taxes. So they're going to force it out. Do they take it out from both traditional and Roth? Well, actually they used to, which doesn't make sense, right? Because why would they take out Roth if they're trying to get their taxes? Because they're not going to tax the Roth, but they would still do it. But now they've changed the law. They've changed the rule so that it's only traditional that they take out of, thankfully. That was a long time coming, but they did change that rule not too long ago. So it is more, it is better and more along the lines of what you would think it should be. So the answer is yes, it'll take just out of traditional. If you would like, subscribe, hit the notification button and learn not only from this channel, but also from our other workshops. Come and join us.